Hello, I got this email from Loveable yesterday. It basically tells me that I should build something with Loveable in this weekend to win some credits. And I was like, what can I build? But when I checked the link in the CTA, I got the direction. So let's analyze it first. As you can see, this CTA has multiple UTM parameters with either same value or different value. So when we check UTM source, same value twice. When we check UTM medium or campaign, different values but appearing twice. So this is a problem with analytics, but for user perspective, it's fine. But again, because it's a problem with analytics, I'm like, what if I build a tool for Loveable so that next campaign will be better? So Meet with Campaign Guard, it's basically an inbox that you send your emails before going live with them. And then this inbox checks everything about that, like about emails with links, content and everything. So let's create a test inbox and copy the address. And then we basically forward this to that inbox. And while it checks it, we will talk about what it's gonna check exactly. So here we have a link for logo, we have a link for header image, and we have a link for CTA. And then when we go below, we see like terms, privacy and unsubscribe, and some social media links. So let's go back. So it says email received, fetching delivered content from recent, which is the tool that I use for this inbox. And then it's basically scanning links and tracking and content. Now we have the report. As you can see, we see the email here, and then it basically has all the link inventory, and then it basically gives like the tracking QA and what's the problem, and it already like shows that there's a problem with UTM parameters, and also it basically shows that these URLs use the same link ID without any like identifier. So it basically shows that there's no unique identifier among these three links. So these three links are treated as the same link from analytics perspective, which is another issue. So when we go below, we see that the redirect chain and the last URL that UTM parameters are seen. And here it basically says conflicting UTM source, conflicting UTM medium, and conflicting UTM campaign. And when I check on like generate a fixed link, it basically gives me the right link. And it does it for other parts as well. So we have problems for these three parts, but then like terms and conditions, fine. There's no problem with it. We can also check it here. Yeah, no problem with terms and conditions or, privacy and unsubscribe. So those parts are fine. But for all other parts, there is an issue. So that was it. That was the app I created with Loveable for this weekend. Thank you for listening and take care.